Okay, again, here we are just off of Marion Road here, and on the southeast side of Rochester, and obviously a pretty strong tornado went through this area. It's going to be interesting to see what the National Weather Service rates this tornado at. Just eyeballing it, and from past experience, this is looking like F2, F3 type tornado damage here, with all this debris strewn across Marion Road and portions of southeast Rochester.